exercise first D. In this we will learn how to estimate the number, how to estimate the addition and subtraction of number. So let's start. So today we are going to understand estimation. So let's start from the first example, which is given on page number 18. Okay, so it is example number 21. First number is there 64. What we have to do here? We have to round off a number. Round off a number. Round off a number to nearest 10. Nearest 10. So just taking this example, so here there is a number 64. 4 comes at 1's place, 6 comes at 10's place. If we have to round off a number to nearest 10, we have to compare this digit to 5. Okay. What we have to do? If we want to round off any number to nearest 10, we have to check the digit which comes at 1's place. We are rounding a number to nearest 10. Nearest 10. Okay, but we have to check the digit which comes at 1's place. If this digit is greater than or equal to 5, if this digit greater than or equal to 5, then we are able to increase this digit which comes at 10's place. Okay, so it is less than 5, so it will become 0. And we cannot change this digit according to the rule. Okay. So it will become 60 only. It will remain 60. 4 becomes 0 because it is less than 5. Okay. And there is no change at the digit which plays at 10's. Okay. Which plays at 10's place. Okay. Here we have to understand this. Just take another example. 986. So in this example, (986) is the number. This is the number 986. Now in this number, we have to compare the digit which comes at 1's place. 6 is there. 6 is greater than 5. Okay, that's why we are able to change this digit by 1. Means we have to increase the digit by 1 which comes at 10's place. So it will become 9 and it will become 0. Okay, so here the answer is 990. What was the answer of 64? 60 only. Because 4 is less than 5. So we don't have changed this digit, but 6 is greater than 5. That's why we change 8 by 1. That becomes 9. So in this way we have to change the number. We have to round off the number to nearest 10. Okay. So in this all rules are given here on page number 17. You have to read these rules. Okay. Very easy language is there. Okay. Now I am taking another example, third example by my own, just like 775. Okay, this is the number. So let's take this number. If I have to round off this number to nearest 10, what we have to do? I have to compare the digit which comes at 1's place. So this is equal to 5. Okay, so there is a rule. if this digit is equal to 5, then we have to put 0 instead of this, and we have to increase 1 which to this digit by 1, which at tens place. So we have to add 1 at 7. So it will become 8, means 780 is the answer. When we round up this number to nearest 10, we will get 780. Now you can observe that this digit is equal to 5. That's why we increase 1 in this digit. Okay. So that's why we increase 7 by 1. Okay. So it will become 780. Now we are moving to the second example, 22nd example. Okay, 22. I hope you understood this. Nearest 10. Now just keep going. Second example. We have to round off the number. To nearest 100. Okay. Now we are going to round off the number to nearest 100. So just take example. First example, 423 is there. 423. So ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. So here it is 423. So we have to compare the digit which comes at tens place. Okay. If we want to convert or round up the number to nearest 100. If we are converting a number to nearest 10, we have to compare the digit which comes at ones place. If we are converting or rounding off a number to nearest 100, we have to compare the digit which comes at tens place. Okay, so if this digit is smaller than 5, obviously this is smaller than 5, so it becomes 0, and there is no change at 100 place. So the answer is 400. Okay, understood. Now second one, there is example 3482. So this is the number. So what we have to do? Now check this. Suppose this is the number. Here we have to compare the digit which comes at tens place. It is greater than 5. It means it becomes 0, and we have to add 1 to this number. It will become 5, and it will become same. Remain same. Okay, now here we have to understand. So this is the answer when we convert or when we round off this number to nearest 100. Then we have to check with the digit which comes at tens place. So we got the answer 3500 is the answer. So have you understood this? It is rounding a number to nearest 100. Now just take another example. It was the example number 22. Okay. Now we are going to another example. Example number 23. In this we have to round off a number to nearest 1000. Okay. So our first. Now we are going to round off a number to nearest 1000. I hope you understood this. Then first number is 2403. 2403. So in this we have to understand, we have to compare the digit which comes at 100 place. Okay, which comes at 100 place. Now we are going to convert or rounding of a number to nearest 1000. That's why we are comparing the digit which comes at 100 place. So it is smaller than 5. That's why there is no change. There is no change to the digit which comes at 1000 place, and we have to just put we have to change the number with 200. So it is less than 4. That's why we are not changing this. So it is the answer 2000. So students, when we have to compare the digit nearest 1000, where we have to round up the number to nearest 1000, we have to compare the digit which comes at a 100 place. If this digit is greater than 5 or equal to 5, then we are able to increase this digit by 1. Okay, so here we have to understand when the digit which at 100 place is equal to 5 or 100 greater than 5, then we are able to increase the number or digit which comes at the 1000 place. Okay, it is smaller than 5, that's why we haven't increased this number, it remains same. Okay, now we are just taking another example. Suppose this number was that 9567. Here, suppose this is the number 9567. Now student, you can see we have to convert, or we have to round off the number nearest 1000. So we have to check that digit which comes at the 100 place, it is equal to 5. So we have to increase this by 1, it will become 10. So now the answer is 10,000. I hope you understood this, how to round off a number. Now let's start our exercise first D. So rounding of the following numbers to the nearest 10. So first exercise, first question, we have to round off the number to nearest 10. Round off the number to nearest 10. Nearest 10. So we have to round off. Okay. So first one is 18. Okay. So rounding off 18 is there. So according to rules, we have to go ones, tens, 100. So the number is 18. It is greater than 5. So it will become 20. Okay. So answer is 20. Just taking another. I'm taking sixth one. Okay. I'm just solving sixth one. 478. Just take this ones, tens, 100. We have to round up the number to tens, nearest tens. So it is greater than 5. It will become 8. 480 is the answer. If we are rounding a number to nearest 10. So it was easy, and you can solve by your own. These are the very simple question. Now I am just solving second question of this. Rounding of the number to nearest 100. Okay, 100. Now we are moving ahead. First one is there 67. It is a tricky question. Ones, tens, 100. Now we have to round up this number to nearest 100. So the number is 67. Now we have to, if we are rounding off a number to nearest 100, we have to compare the digit which comes at tens place. So this digit is greater than 5. 6 is greater than 5. It means it becomes 0, and we have to add 1 here at tens place. So answer is 100. Answer is 100. Very easy. 67 become 100 after rounding off. Now we are just taking another example. I am just taking fourth one. Okay, here I am just taking another example. Fourth one, 387. So ones, 10, 100, 387. Now what we have to do? We have to compare this digit. This digit is greater than 5. Yes. So it will become 0, 0, but this become 4 because we have to add 1. So answer is 400. So these are the easy question. Then we are going to next third one. Third question of exercise first D. Rounding of the number to nearest 1000. Okay, to nearest 1000. So here it is there 1780. 1780. Okay, 1780. So now we have to convert or round off the number to nearest 1000. So we have to compare the digit which comes at 100 place. It is greater than 5. It is greater than 5. So more than 5 is there. So it will become 2. It will become 0, 0. Answer is 2000. Very simple. Now I am taking another example. Question number 7. Okay. Question number 7. 54169. 54169. Okay. So this is the number. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh. So 54169. 4169. It is the number. Now we have to convert. We have to round off this number to nearest 1000. So we have to compare the digits which comes at 100 place. It is less than 5. Yes, it is less than 5. So it will become same and this becomes 0. So this is the answer. 5400. Okay, 54,000 is the answer because this digit is less than 5. So very easy concepts are there. You can do by yourself. Now I am solving the question to nearest 10,000. It is the fourth one. Rounding a number to nearest 10,000. To nearest 10,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, then lakh, then 10 lakh. So this was a place value chart. Here, first question is there. Round off this number 19,586 to nearest 10,000. Okay, so 19,586. So it is 19. Okay. Now we have to compare the number. We have to convert the number to nearest 10,000, or we have to round off the number to nearest 10,000. 10,000. Now we have to compare the digits which comes at the 1000 place. So it is the digit. It is more than 5. So it will become 0 and it will become. We have to increase this. Okay. So this is the answer 20,000. If this digit is more than 5 or equal to 5, we have to increase this digit by 1. Okay, so it will become 20,000. So it was very simple question. Now we are just taking another example, fourth one of this question. Fourth one. Okay. Now I am just taking fourth one. 86208. So means 86,000. So here ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. So 86,208. So we have to round off to nearest 10,000. So we have to compare this digit. It is greater than 5. Yes, 6 is greater than 5. So it will become 0 here and it will become 9. Okay, and so this. So answer is 90,000. So very simple. So I hope you have understood this. So now there is another question, fifth one. I will solve this also. This is little bit different. Round off the following numbers to nearest 100. Okay, so 157 meter. So we have to round off this number. Okay, I am just solving this first one. So we have to round off to nearest 100. 157. 157. So 157 meter. This is equal to 5 or more than 5. So it will become 2. It will become 0. So this is the answer. 200 meters. Simple. Now we are just taking another example. Seventh one here. 1031. We have to round off this to nearest 100. So the question is there. It is the question that ones, tens, 100, 1,000. So 1031. These are the digits. Okay. So we have to round off to nearest 100. Tens, we have to check tens digit. It is less than 5, so it will become only, it will become 0. No change to here. So 1,000 is the answer. 1,000 rupees. So we have to put the symbol as it is, rupees or meter. So these are the questions you can solve by your own. It is very easy. These are the very easy questions. I hope first these very simple. If you have any doubt regarding this exercise, you can ask on WhatsApp or you can call me.